5-minute makeup because I literally have like 20 minutes to get ready. You always have to prep your face because we don't want any makeup clinging onto dry patches. I'm gonna use the sunscreen as my primer. This stuff can honestly be messing with my skin real bad sometimes, but the glow, I like for my skin to look like glass, even though that sunscreen gives me problems. And it's like 90 degrees outside today, so I'm gonna use this sheer tint balm from It Cosmetics, and I don't want to do too much in the heat. I'm not gonna do my brows because I just don't see the point. Then I'm gonna use a teeny bit of my LA Girl, and you always gotta make sure to let it sit for a little bit because even though we're going for something more natural, we still want like a decent amount of coverage. And instead of contouring my nose, I'll just take my concealer and then bring it in like this to kind of give it, I don't know, to kind of define the shape a little bit more, because I just feel like nose contour looks too harsh on my face. Next up, the best powders ever is this to set my under eye and this for the rest of my face. Next up, my setting spray that's on its last breath. A little bit of bronzer. This is from Essence. But I mainly put it like forehead, cheekbones, and jaw. Next up, blush. I'm gonna be trying this one from Faux Fay. Look at that, the duo, like, that is so pretty. And like I said, we're not using too much of it, so I'm like barely dipping into the pan. Highlight it and dab it everywhere, even my eyelids, just for my beauty mark. And of course, the best fixing spray in the world. Oh god damn. A little bit of that got in my mouth. Ugh. And the trick is to draw a very thin line, so that way when you put on your mascara, your lash line looks thicker and it kind of gives you the illusion of having falsies, all while you just have on mascara and liner. I honestly like despise the one I have, but I'm just gonna do my best with it. I'm just gonna clump it in the middle, let it dry like a little bit, and then just put it throughout, because I want the base of the lash to look thick. Like, they don't look bad, but they've definitely looked better. And for the lip combo, we have Mother Nature and this CoverGirl lip plumper. Thank you guys for watching. I love y'all.